Now if we want to accomplish this effect, let me show you inside the logo. You can see that the logo will be getting smaller and smaller. Okay, if you want to accomplish this effect inside the logo, you will need to use an image. Okay, there's no way you can use an H1 element or an H2 element as we are doing inside this template. So what we will need to do, let me go back, and first of all we will need to reopen this logo. If you don't have this logo, don't worry, I will be providing you the final image that I am going to be creating in here. So here's what I am going to do. Let me click outside the logo and then on canvas and this color. So in that way I can see all these images inside the CSS sprite. Let me click in here, increase the size, and we are going to delete or erase all this. Make a selection in here, and let me check the dimensions behind this logo. It will be for 50 times 100. Let's go back and go to the crop tool and make a selection, and you can see below right there we are going to go to 100. Then double click and we are going to save this new logo. Let me eliminate this color behind, transparent. Now what I am going to do is save this new logo. Let's go to PNG 8 and click on alpha transparency. That will be a good size. Let me go to probably 64. I think that will be fine. Let's go to file and export and save the new logo. We are going to give the name logo dash green and click save. Again, you can click below this video, download green logo, and you are going to be able to get all these image in here. Let's go to the administrator and we are going to log in and then go to extensions and module manager. We are going to eliminate the actual logo that we have in here. In this case, this will be the logo that I am using. So I am going to click inside here and then click on new. Let's click on custom HTML. Let's give the title will be logo image. You can give any title you want, and the position logo. Let's go down. The module, well, the menu assignment will be to all pages, and click on image right here. Let's click on browse and make a selection on that new logo. Then click open and click start upload. Click on the new logo, give whatever description you want and title. Let's click insert, and now we are going to click on the logo and click on this one in here. So we can create a link behind this logo. Right now we are not going to worry too much about the URL. Let's click insert and now click save. Let's go back to the front page and click refresh. Now as you can see, we are going to have this new logo behind this template, and of course we will need to do a few modifications in here so we can go back to the original state. Now for those worry about the H1 title, well, let me show you, because well, let me click on CSS and disable all styles. Right now you are not going to have any H1 title in here, but here's what we are going to do. Let's go back, click save and close, and then we are going to reactivate the logo H1. In this case it will be the gray logo in my case. In your case should be something like logo alone. Let me click in here and go back to the front page, then click refresh, and as you can see you are going to have this logo up here and this logo below. Now if you go back again to the CSS and disable all styles, this time you are going to be able to see the H1 title in here. Now why we are doing this? Well, because on-page SEO settings are going to recommend you to always have the H1 title all the way to the top, and that will be the best if you want to accomplish a good on-page SEO. The only thing you are going to be modifying behind your logo, and in this case the H1 title, is that you are going to be eliminating the link inside the keyword, and in this case inside the H1 element. So we are going to go inside here and click in here. In that way the link will be eliminated. Let's click on save and close and go back and click refresh. Now as you can see you are going to be able to see the keyword, and in this case the H1 title and the logo below. So for this video that will be it, and let's move on to the next one so we can start applying all the CSS rules behind this new design.